Fire alarm system replacement step-by-step guide. Introduction. Fire alarms are crucial for safety, but like all systems, they eventually need replacement. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to safely replace a fire alarm system, from planning to installation. Assess the existing system. First, assess the current system. Check the age, functionality, and compliance with local fire codes. If the system is outdated or malfunctioning, it's time for an upgrade. Plan the replacement. Before replacing a system, create a plan. Determine the types of alarms needed, their placement, and whether you'll need professional installation. Turn off power and remove old devices. Safety first. Turn off the power to avoid electrical hazards. Then carefully remove the old devices, keeping wiring intact, if possible, to simplify installation. The control panel may show a system trouble when you disconnect power, but that is normal, and it may show system troubles for each device that is taken down, but that is also normal, as it is detecting that a device has been removed off the system. When you install the new devices, you should make sure those system troubles are cleared out. Install the new fire alarm system. Now, install the new alarms according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Secure detectors, connect wiring, and ensure the control panel is properly configured. Also, clear out any system troubles that may be showing up on the control panel, as those will indicate that a device or zone on the system needs further attention before you move on to the testing step. Also, if the space where the old device is showing any open areas around the new device, fill those in so the new system will look better and no one can gain access into the wall and be able to mess with the wiring. Test and verify functionality. Once installed, test the system, check each alarm, verify connectivity, and ensure proper response in the case of an emergency. Some systems that have a fire alarm control panel attached may send a signal to the panel once an initiating device is activated, and then activate the strobe of the notification appliance. Then, after a short amount of time, activate the audible portion of the device. So be aware of those pauses and make sure everything activates before resetting the system and testing another zone. Final inspection and compliance check. Before completing the replacement, perform a final inspection. Ensure the system meets local fire codes and regulations to guarantee proper safety compliance. Closing. And that's how you replace a fire alarm system step by step. Keeping these devices up to date is crucial for fire safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.